Okay, everybody turn off your videos, video off, turn off your cameras, please everyone. Turn off your cameras. Aditya Vikram Ghosh, turn off your camera. Satvik Paul, turn off your camera. Satvik Paul, turn off your camera, beta. Okay. Today we are not going to be discussing the computer. Today we are going to be discussing something else. Okay. I hope can everybody hear me. Everybody mute yourself, please. Yes. So today we are going to be discussing something else. Before I begin, remember I had told you in the previous class also that computer classes will be recorded. So don't do anything stupid on in front of the camera or also over the phone. Okay, just keep yourself muted and turn on your camera as and when I ask you to. Please turn off your camera. Arnab Laha, turn off your camera, please. Yes. So what is going to happen today is today we are not going to be discussing what is it called, the computer class. Whatever questions you may have about the computer class, you can post it in the comment section and I will reply to them. I know some people have already asked and I will reply to them. What we are going to do today is something separate. Today is a very special day. Today is a very special day, and can anybody tell me what is so special about today? Can somebody tell me what is the special date today? Unmute yourself and answer if you know the answer. Anyone? Anyone who knows what is the special date today? Today is the 26th of November. Why is 26th of November very special? Anybody? Anybody? Any guesses? Okay. Today is our country's Constitution Day. Constitution means a book of rules. Okay. Every country has a book of rules, the laws that we follow. Okay. And our constitution was formulated on the 26th of November 1949. Remember, our country got independence on 15th of August 1947. But at that time, when we got our independence, we were using the British Constitution. So our founding fathers decided that our country should have rules and norms according to our customs and traditions and our country. So a set of people were put together and they sat down to formulate the constitution. And they worked and researched and did a lot of hard work and came up with the world's longest constitution. India's constitution is the world's longest constitution, the biggest one. All right, because we are a very big country and we are one of the most diverse countries of the world, with all religions, all customs, all traditions, all castes and creeds living together. All right, so our founding fathers came together with this constitution, which was adopted on the 26th of November 1950. All right, so today is the day, is a very special day. Why? Because the constitution is our identity. Who are we? We are Indians because we all follow that one rule book. Okay. Of course, the constitution was readied on 26th of November, but it was fully accepted on the 26th of January, on the day we celebrate the Republic Day. So what is the Constitution? The Constitution is a very complicated book. It's a very big book. It's a very elaborate book. Touches all parts of our lives. The first page of the Constitution contains what is known as the preamble. Okay, everybody, can you people hear me? Just give me a thumbs up, everyone, if you can hear me. Okay, yes, good. So the first page of the Constitution is the introduction of the Constitution. Introduction means it is just briefly explain you what we are going to do in the Constitution book. Okay, it is called the preamble of the Constitution. So today what we are going to do is we are going to go.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Arvind. Kindly mute yourself. You are late to the class. We are discussing the Constitution of India. Today is India's Constitution Day, and the Constitution begins with one page on small paragraph, which is called the preamble of the Constitution. Okay, the preamble talks about what broadly this Constitution is all about. What are we supposed to do with the Constitution? And we should be very, very proud of the fact that our constitution is one of the most elaborate constitutions. Okay. For those people, class 5, who do not know the constitution, what is constitution? It is a book of rules. Okay. The law book. আইনের বই, যেটাকে বলে বাংলায় বলে আইনের বই, lots of rules. Okay, like you in your school also you have lots of rules. If you open the school diary, you will find out the constitution has got lots of rules. So today at 11 o'clock sharp we are supposed to be reading. So let me take you to the preamble of the constitution, and just give me a moment. I am going to be taking you to the preamble of the constitution. Okay, so just give me a moment. Okay, I hope everybody can see my screen. This is the first page of our constitution. And I want everybody listening to what I have to say. What does the constitution say? The constitution, the first page is designed also beautifully like this. And what does the constitution say? It says, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves the Constitution. So, what does the preamble say? The preamble basically says that this Constitution will work to give everyone, everybody in this country, justice. Means what is fair must be given to the person who deserves it. Okay. Social, economic, political means anybody who is rich or poor, this caste or that caste does not matter. Justice is same for everyone. Okay. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship means you are free to think the way you like, express the way you like. You can be poetic, you can draw, you can art, you can act, you can sing. Belief of faith means you can preach any religion you want, and you can worship any god you want. Okay, you are free. That is what India is all about. We are an independent country. The liberty of what you like to do for yourself. Remember, it is for yourself. All right. Next one is the equality of status and opportunity. Okay, if you go to the government, whether you are rich or whether you are poor, the rules are same for everyone. That's what the Constitution tells us to do. The Constitution tells the government that everybody should be equal, no matter who you are, no matter where you come from. You should be equal. Okay, and the Constitution tries to encourage me to tell everyone, let's have fraternity of assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. Means we should be as a united country. We should work together to make ourselves a good country every day. We may be wrong yesterday, but we should try to correct ourselves every single day. All right. So that is what the Constitution tells us. That is what the preamble of the Constitution tells us about the Constitution, that all the rules inside the Constitution are supposed to be for this particular idea. All right. So that is the Constitution preamble for today. It is for everyone. Let me tell you once again. Yes, kindly everybody turn on your cameras. Everybody turn on your cameras. Yes, Aindri Ghosh, turn on your camera, please. Aindri Ghosh. Kindly turn on your camera. Okay, Ayandri has left. So I hope everybody understood what I talked about the constitution. Give me a thumbs up if you understood. Okay, 1, 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. Yeah. So from what I presume that everybody has understood, it is a very special day today. Why? Because the constitution makes us makes us Indians. All right. This is the special part about our country, and we should be all proud of it, and learn more about it. Okay, you are class 5. I know you people know very little about it, but you should you should yearn to know more about what India is all about, what went on in making this country independent, how people struggled, and how they came up with this constitution that yearns to provide equality and justice to everyone. Now, there are a lot of problems we can understand. There are things that, but it is our duty to try and make it better each day. Okay, and for any confrontation, any difficulty we have, everybody should be deferring to the constitution. All right, so that is the beauty of the constitution. And for your small general knowledge information, India became independent on 15th of August 1947. India's constitution was adopted on 26th of November 1949. Okay, those people who may not remember, just you can note it down. It was adopted on the 26th of November 1949. All right, and last, India became a
Sir,
yes, Arvind, how may I help you?
sir, I had a confusion. It is on 26 November or on 26 January?
Yes, that is the context. That's what I'm telling you. There are three dates very, very clearly. The first date was the 14th, 15th of August 1947. 26th of November 1949, the constitution was enacted, was readied, all right, and it was fully implemented. It was fully implemented on the 26th of January 1950. Okay, so on 26th of January 1950, India became a republic. Okay, so for the first 3 years, we were still half 50-50 with the British. Okay, the British had left, had said, okay, now you people take care of yourself. We will be there to guide you, we will try to help you out. Okay, but on 26th of January 1950, India said, okay, thank you very much, we can take care of ourselves. আমাদের constitution ready হয়ে গেছে, আমাদের সংবিধান রেডি হয়ে গেছে, আমাদের রাষ্ট্রপতি আছে, সেনা আছে, সবকিছু আছে, আমাদের আর লাগবে না। Yes, we can take care of ourselves. Okay, so 26th of January 1950 was the day India became a republic, total, complete, full republic. Okay, so that is the difference between 26th of November and 26th of January. All right, now for those people, let me just, we are just overshooting our class. I have last week I had posted some questions in your GCR, and I'm very, very
Yes,
surprised
sir.
that many people have not done them, and some of you who have done it, they've given the wrong answer. I had told you, people, read the chapter. I don't want to hear anybody who did not. If you have done, good. If you have not done it, go to the GCR and complete it. Okay, if you have completed your work, very nice. If you have not completed your work, go to the GCR and complete it right now. Okay, before your next class begins. It will begin in another 10 minutes. So everybody, thank you very much. If you have not done your work, go back to your class and complete your work. Clear? Okay, okay, one by
Yes,
one.
sir.
Arvind, thank you very much. Bye bye, everybody. Bye bye, everybody. Leave the room, please. Thank you, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye 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 bye
Bye, sir.
bye 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 bye
Bye,
bye 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 bye. You look, people, some of you are looking very nice. Very, very nice. Bye 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 bye. Very nice, very nice. Yes, Srijani, very good background. Nice. I like the curtains behind you. Nice, nice, nice. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. अरे leave the room ना, जा. Go go go. Go to go. Hurrah. Hurrah. Go 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 go. Ayandri, go. Show me your face. Ayandri, show me your face. Ayandri, Shovik Das, both of you, show me your face. Hey, Ayandri, show me your face. Camera on, please. কি হলো ইন্দ্রি এই মুখটা দেখাও লা ওকে বাই 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 ইন্দ্রি টেক কেয়ার আই এম এন্ডিং দ্য মিটিং টেক কেয়ার বাই বাই